Hi, dear students. Today, inshallah, we will have a new topic in our syllabus of Operations Management by Dr. Sarah Said. Today, inshallah, we will start our chapter, which is chapter 3. This is chapter talk about product and service design. Product and service design is very important one for indicating and for formulating new products and refining or improving the existing products or provided services. Now we will talk about what does design mean. The term design indicates into the shape and form of the product or service. Again, the term design indicates into the shape and form of the product or service. So we will talk next topic about product or service design activities. Product and service design activities going to first translate customer wants and needs into product or service requirements. Again, translate customer wants and needs into products or service requirements. This is the first activity for product or service design. Also, product and service design can redefine or refine the existing products or services. Again, product or service design can refine or improve or modify the existing products and services. Also, the product or service design can develop new products and services. Besides that, there are other activities like formulate quality goals for the products or services. Also formulate cost targets for product or service, in which we can identify the cost level for the product design or for the service design through formulating cost targets at the production of product, at the marketing of product, at the financial plan that will be found for this product or budget. Therefore, you can formulate the overall cost for this product or service that will be provided. So it is very important for the product design or service design to be formulated or to be found in accurate way in order to help to have a cost target. You can also change your cost target, which was found in the previous year, by changing it or decreasing it into a more efficient one and more decreased level, which will be more useful for your strategy, operations strategy. This will be the importance of product design to be improved in order to decrease your cost level. So formulation of cost target is one of the important activities of product or service design. Another one, which is construct and test prototype. The word or term of prototypes is mainly to have a primary design. A primary design or a design to be tested before the final production. It's called a prototype. A product design or a service design, it's a construct and test prototype, one of its important activities, which will lead you to any modification before or improvements before the final step of your final product production and be found in your market. Finally, another activity of product design or service design is document specification. Why the emphasis on new goods and services? Why we need new goods and services? The main reason behind the existence of new goods or services is the increasing of competition, the entrance of new competitors. As we explained before, we have one of the most important external factors at our external environment, which is globalization. So globalization put all the business and market into an increasing competition, which needs the existence of new goods or services. The increased competition is a result or have some results of improved worldwide telecommunication, lower trade barriers like tariffs, import duties, the creation of trade organizations like European Union and NAFTA. All of those are reasons behind increased competition, faster transportation of goods, lower costs of transportation, and manufacturing, which will lead you to outsourcing. All of those are the reason behind increased or results behind increased competition. Also, advances in technology is a result of products become obsolete faster, improved manufacturing processes, like to have new softwares in your manufacturing, like CAD and CAM and industrial reports. All of those CAD and CAM, by the way, are softwares used in your manufacturing system for controlling and for manufacturing. Therefore, all of those are results of advances in technology, so will lead you to have new goods and new services. The benefits of introducing new products faster, to be faster in the market and existed before your competitors. Number one, greater market share. You need to have a greater market share than you have, than that existed with you. Therefore, you will have an early entry captures large initial market share, which means that if you have today a new product which the customers wants and needs can meet this new product, therefore you will have the largest part or the largest market share. But if your competitor is faster than you and the competitor's product exists in market before you, therefore this competitor will be the winner one and will get the largest market share. Also, price premiums. If you have a new product in the market than your competitor, therefore you'll have the ability to initially charge more prices and higher prices and get the premiums before your competitors learn about this new product and get the know-how and imitate this product and be found another new product compete yours in the market, so you can get the price premiums if you are a faster one. Quick reaction to competition is very important because it's going to what's called a flexibility. As you remembered, we have explained this point in our previous online lecture, which is competitive priority. The flexibility is important for any organization in order to be flexible to have new products or to provide new services. Therefore, the quick reaction or quick response to competitors' new products will lead you to compete fiercely inside the market. Set industry standards. If you are a faster one inside this market to have a new product, you will put your industrial standards, initial products, its market and industry standards. Therefore, they are all benefits or results from introducing a new product, not a new product only, but a faster one or a faster competitor inside your market. The objectives of product design or service design mainly is customer satisfaction. Mainly is customer satisfaction. But there are another secondary objectives like the function of product or service, that's the product or service to be found and perform inside the market, to decrease your cost or maximize your profit, to have a higher quality, to appear or survive in the market, the ease of your production and assembly lead you to have more products or services, the ease of maintenance and after sales service will leading you to have additional competitive advantage or priority inside your market. Therefore, this is one of the objectives of product or service design. What is designed in a product or service? This is a very important topic. In order to understand what is the main components of a design for a product or service, you must look into three parts. Number one, the concept. Number two, package. Number three, the process. The concept, for example, will have a new washing machine as a product to be designed. Number one, the concept behind this washing machine. It fits a kitchen space, more cleaning, save effort, and so on. So the concept is the features, the characteristics of this product. So you put the characteristics of this product inside what's called a concept. This is the first part for design. Second is the packaging, which is the washing machine itself and the after sale service. So package is the washing machine and after sale service. How washing machine can be found, its symptoms, all the size, the weight, and everything. This is the package. All the technical details about washing machine will be found at the package, and also how we can introduce as an organization the after sales service or maintenance for this washing machine. The final part after concept and package is the process. The process here is the washing machine's package of components is connected formally by their positioning relative to each other. How to form, how to make, how to formulate completely this washing machine. Therefore, in order to have a completed one, you will have what's called the process. So the design will have three main components, which is concept, package, and finally the process. The steps to make a product design or service design is number one, a concept generation, screening, preliminary design, evaluation and improvement, and finally final design. The phases is the steps to make how to make a product design, which is completely different from the components of product or service design, which is previously explained, which are a concept and after the concept, the package, and after the package you will have the process. Here we are talking about the steps you will do or stages you will work in order to have a final product design. First of all, we will have what's called idea generation. And by the way, idea generation is the same as a concept generation. Idea generation will have many ways in order to be accomplished. To have an idea about this new product or service, you will need to have number one, suggestions from customers. You need to study the market. You need to study the market in order to identify customer wants and needs. Also, you can get it from your competitors to see the new products or the existing products for the for your competitors, and then you got the idea in order to make it or modified as you see or as you want to your new product. Your R&D, which is the research and development department, will introduce to you some new ideas about a new product. Your employees may help you inside this. Also, the quality circles. The quality circles mainly is a group or a few number of employees which collected together in order to generate new ideas or to solve problems. Therefore, these quality circles will help you to have also a new idea about a new product. Brainstorming will help you as another technique in generating new idea about new product or service. And final technique is 5W and 2H. 5W and 2H, which is 5W at who, what, where, when, and also you will have another W, which is again who, what, when, where, and whom. All of them will be used as a main questions for your ideas. Who will have this product, and also who will make it, when will be made, when will be needed, when will be delivered, where will have this product, your markets, and where or location of fabrication, what are the main components of this product, to whom will be delivered, and so on. The 2H will be how and how much. How will be made or fabricated or marketing campaign will be found. All the question under how will be determined for marketing, for finance, for operations. Also, how much amount will be of fund will be needed, or the cost of or the budget of having this new idea. Next stage is screening. You will have the visibility in this screening according to marketing, according to operations, according to finance. Again, at screening stage, you will have feasibility, acceptability, vulnerability. All of the three evaluation criteria will be applied at your three main departments, which are marketing, operations, finance. As we are explained previously as the 2H and 5W, we need to go to the three departments in interrelated information exchange between those departments in order to make idea generation and also to make the screening part. Feasibility at marketing: is the market likely to be big enough or not? While in operations, feasibility is the question to does the firm has the capability to produce it. Here you asked also in finance, does the firm has enough money to develop and launch it? Feasibility here is the ability of the market to get enough big enough number of your product, can accept this product, while your operations question going behind the capability or capacity to produce. You can produce it or you can't produce it. While finance search always for the fund, the amount of money available. If the money available to develop and to launch or to have this product, new product or not. You will going to another evaluation criteria, which is acceptability. Acceptability is going to how much market share could it gain. Marketing always looking for its market share. This new product will increase market share or will be the same or what. But operations will ask how much will the firm has to recognize its activities to produce it. How much will the firm has to recognize its activities to produce this. To produce it, you will have a recognize going to a scheduling process and sequencing. So the operations will going to see if producing new product, this new product will fit with the labor, with the scheduling, with the sequencing, with the existing machines or not. Finally, finance will see how much financial return will be there on its investment. If I get the budget and I produce this new product, the cash back, the amount of finance that will return to me will be enough for this investment, or I will get higher gains, or I'll get a financial benefit. Therefore, it's a totally measuring of your all of those departments of their benefits and gains behind producing this new product. Vulnerability, how will be affected, is a criteria for the effect of this new product. So the marketing will say, what is the risk of it failed in the marketplace? The market refused this product, this new product. Will affect my marketplace? So it is very important question for marketing. Also for operation, will ask the risk behind if you are unable to produce this acceptability or acceptably, which means if you are unable to produce accepted product to the market by customer, which is a very huge risk. Also, the risk for finance will be if the firm losses behind anything go to the plan. If the market refused the product, therefore there will be a huge losses, which will not go with the financial plan that or investments that found. So the vulnerability is a criteria for a risk, total 100% for a risk or failure for this new product if it is occurred. So you must calculate your expected risk if the market refuses this product and you can't produce it in a good way or in a correct way, or if your losses doesn't go ahead with your investment. After you end the screening part, you will go to a stage called preliminary design, which is specifying the component, products and services in the package, defining the processes to create the package. You are in the details, determining the details of your product, and you are putting the features of your product in order to go to the final stage, which is, or final part, which is the process. At preliminary design, you will make the following activities or stages. Number 1, create form and functional design. You make the functional and form design. Build a prototype. A prototype is a sample to be tested by a product. Test this prototype and revise this prototype and retest it again after you revise it. Here we have two products. Those two products, like a cellular personal safety alarm and the other is a personal computer. So you will have two shapes and two products with a full of characteristics and features. You need to look at those and see if they will be accepted by the market, their features and characteristics are fitting to the customer wants and needs. If there is any technical problems, can be revised and must be retested again, and so on. Finally, I hope that this topic is excellent and good one for you. It's very critical for your practical work, inshallah, if you have an excellent bi'idhnillah job. So you must put in your mind how to generate, how to have a new product or a new service. And finally, I hope it is interesting one. And thank you, all of you, and see you later, inshallah.